A lawsuit today filed over this accident on FM 535 in Smithville, February 9th. A mother and son died when their SUV collided with a big rig hauling a mobile home. DPS investigators told KVUE after the crash the driver didn't have escort cars or a permit to haul an oversized load. KVUE's Amber Downing joins us now live, all new at 6. Amber, what is this family asking for?
Well, Terry, the family's asking to be compensated for a huge loss, a mother and her son. But they're also asking and hoping that nothing like this happens to anyone else. February 9th, nearly a month ago, Chris Jackson lost half of his family.
Took my wife and my youngest son.
An 18-wheeler carrying part of a mobile home that authorities say was too wide for the road crashed into an SUV, killing Jackson's wife, Deborah, and 12-year-old son, Blake. His nephew and oldest son, Chris Jr., also in the SUV, survived the crash.
It's hurting him mentally. I've watched his actions, change, and, things he used to do, he doesn't do it anymore, and I know it's getting to him real bad.
Jackson and his attorney, Brad Bonilla, are suing 3 companies for at least $1 million. Titan Factory Direct Homes, Lechuga Mobile Home Construction Service, and Segovia Trucking. They believe each holds some responsibility for the crash.
When it all comes down to holding wrongdoers accountable, we've got to set the value of a human life so high that nobody else will dare do this type of conduct again.
The Department of Public Safety says the drivers weren't permitted to be on FM 535. We asked all 3 companies named in the suit for comment, but none responded.
Nothing would ever replace them. Nothing.
Jackson hopes this lawsuit will prevent truck drivers from taking roads they're not permitted to be on.
Well, just pray to God that this doesn't happen to anyone else. Be careful, pay attention, and just continue to pray for our family.
The Department of Public Safety is considering whether to press criminal charges against that truck driver. Live in Bastrop County, Amber Downing, KVUE News.
We'll continue to follow the case. Amber, thank you. The KVUE defenders looked into accidents involving oversized vehicles or loads. According to the Texas Department of Transportation, there were 636 around the state in 2014, including 5 deadly crashes. There were 519 last year, and 2 people died in those. Of the 61 so far this year, only the Smithville crash has resulted in deaths.